Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make custard tart. It is very yummy and easy to make. It has two portions. One is custard and another is its crust. To make custard, I have milk 2 cups, egg yolks 2, vanilla essence half teaspoon, sugar 6 tablespoon, cornflour 2 and half tablespoon and water 1/4 cup. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added milk, egg yolks, sugar and vanilla essence in the pan. Mix it with a whisk and turn on the flame. When it comes to boiling point, then add mixture of corn flour and water in it. It will become thick in 4-5 minutes, inshallah. It is ready, alhamdulillah. Turn off the flame and strain it to remove any lump. Now keep it in fridge by covering with paper towel because we don't want to make a skin on top of the custard. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will make dough for the crust of our custard tart. And to make it, here I have unbleached all-purpose flour 2 cups, unsalted butter 125 grams, sugar 5 tablespoons, vanilla half teaspoon, egg yolk 1, baking powder half teaspoon and chilled water 3 tablespoons. So let's make the dough with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added flour and butter in mixing bowl with whisk attachment. I will beat it for 4 minutes. Then I will add sugar, vanilla essence, baking powder and egg yolk. Mix it for another 3 minutes. Now add chilled water in it. Slowly add. It is ready when you can bind it with your hands like this, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Set this dough into pie plates like this. Just place the dough in it and set it with your fingertips. Then poke it with a fork so air could not escape under it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, both crusts are baked beautifully, mashallah. Baking time is 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. When they were baking, I took them out after 15 minutes and pressed the middle part of the crust with a fork, then poke it again and complete the baking time. Now they are baked after 30 minutes. Let them cool down for 15 minutes. Then we will set the custard in it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I kept the custard in fridge covering with a paper towel. Now I am going to fill custard tarts, inshallah. Crust is still warm after 15 minutes and it will help to set custard in it, inshallah. You can garnish it with different kind of fruit slice like mango, peach or kiwi. I will use chocolate chip to decorate one of my tart and another will be plain. Make it even before you garnish it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, both custard tarts are ready. Let them cool down for an hour in fridge. Then we will make slices of it, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Have a slice of yummy custard tart and give me a comment. I love your comments and opinions. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.